Hello everyone, welcome back to in new video with my friends. You can see right now he using his mobile phone because right now he is a very busy. Okay, so I came here with to him to practice speaking English, but he told me that he is busy with his girlfriend. So that's why.
No.
So
That's
that's why
wrong.
he didn't talk to me. I told him you can practice with me right now. I am free because practicing makes a man progress. If you don't practice, you don't be able to improve your speaking English. So, bro, are you ready to practice with me on the video?
No.
Okay, no problem. I am practicing by myself.
Yeah,
Okay,
please.
today I visited the passport office in Agargaon
Okay.
because last night I applied for my passport, but I made a mistake. So that's why today I was very busy for solving the problem. So today that's why I went there and I had to stand in the line for the long time. Around 2 hours I had to stand on the line because lots of people went there to make passport. Okay, so everyone, some people also made same mistake like me. So 99 sorry 90% people made mistake when they make the application for passport. Okay, after applying they can understand that he made a mistake. Okay, so but I was careful before applying, but after applying and after payment I can see that it was big problem because I don't have similarity with my father's name with my mother's name. So that's why it is big problem and I have to solve it. Okay, and if I were careful about this, it wouldn't be incident. Okay, so I told you about these activities to practice my speaking English because whatever you say, but you have to try to speak in English to improve. Okay, oh, and also after going outside from passport office, some broker came to me to control me, which means they tried to help me to again apply application for passport, but I didn't recognize him. Okay, I told them I will be able to do again this, you don't need to help me. Okay, okay, today's activities I shared with you, no problem, I will come again in front of you.